Hi, are you ready to learn some new words? In this video, you will learn some words related to one base word. The base word in this video is love. Here are some words related to the base word. Loved, lover, loves, loving, lovely, unloved, lovable. Now learn how to use each word in a sentence. I love spending time with my family. They loved to go cycling. He is an art lover. She loves pottery making. She is a kind and loving teacher. She has a lovely smile. Sometimes I feel alone and unloved. Rabbits are fluffy and lovable. Now let's review. Loved, lover, loves, loving, lovely, unloved, lovable. If you want to continue improving your reading and writing and gain more confidence, then don't forget, subscribe.